Marcie Knudson lives with a rare genetic disorder,
I have retinitis pigmentosa.
making it hard for her to see.
So I was born with a disability that I didn't know that I was going to have.
That's not the only challenge Marcie has had to overcome. She's experienced homelessness before finally, 6 years ago, landing here at the Vera, low-income housing on Portland's South Waterfront.
I thought it was going to be better than this.
She was promised accessibility, she says. Instead, she's spent years asking building management to address barriers.
It's exhausting. It's exhausting to ask for help. It's exhausting to be treated like if I ask for help, I'm a problem.
KGW was not allowed on the property, but Marcie says laundry services, her thermostat, and resident documents have not always been accessible to her.
Notices if the water is going to be shut off, or notices if there's going to be an emergency fire alarm testing. I can't do laundry unless I bring a human-sided guide assistant with me.
In a statement, Bridge Housing, the building management team, tells KGW in part, our communities comply with all applicable laws and regulations related to inclusive access. We have taken a number of steps to address this resident's requests. These include providing community notices in accessible electronic formats and installing Braille signage on laundry machines. Braille signage will be added to the resident's thermostat by mid-July.
Unfortunately, folks with disabilities have been left out of housing conversations.
Jennifer Knapp runs Community Vision, a Portland nonprofit helping people with disabilities find accessible, affordable housing.
Americans with Disabilities Act kind of sets the floor, right? It requires some accessibility, but it is not enough.
According to the nonprofit's database, 0.3% of housing across Oregon is accessible to people with disabilities, and about a quarter of Oregonians live with some form of disability.
So you can see that the need far outweighs the demand for accessible housing.
Jennifer is working with the city of Portland as the city tries to incentivize developers to build more accessible housing.
I don't know how I feel about it because moving to somewhere could mean moving somewhere worse.
Okay, those at the nonprofit Community Vision tell me they have been trying to make changes at the state level too. And this year, a bill passed to increase the amount of accessible housing units required in affordable housing buildings. They call it one step in the right direction, but say that much more work needs to be done. And they encourage anyone who lives with a disability and is facing accessibility challenges and is feeling alone and just overwhelmed to give Community Vision a call. They are based in Southeast Portland, and their number is right there on your screen. It's 503-292-4964. And we want to hear from you too. Do you or someone you know live with a disability? And what has it been like finding accessible housing? Let us know. Email the story at kgw.com or call and you can leave us a voicemail. That number is 503-226-5090.